finishing up this job. This guy in the back here, let me turn on my torch. There we go. This guy in the back here, you can see some wires crimped on there. It's because I missed my pattern. Some way or not, one way or another, I got my white blue on this blue terminal instead of having on the white blue side, so I confused the wiring. You can see that my white orange is on orange and my orange is on green, white green. So I ruined this panel. It's not the right thing to take them off and redo them, because that's just a contact that opens up when it receives that wire. It's supposed to be a one and done. If you open it again, then you put a new one in, you might have a false contact. You know, obviously, sure, you crimp it up. You crimp it. You go in. You go in with the tool. You crimp it down, but you might have a false contact there because it's already open. It's supposed to be a married set once you crimp them in. But yeah, I just want to give you that update that if you commit an error, just go to the next panel and keep going at it. And obviously I have these little covers here to finish up covering up the freshly crimped side. So yeah, if I can just mount one so you can see the illustration of it. Alright. Take all this junk out soon. You can see there's a... Alright, zoomed in. Let's go in. Boom. Just clip it on there and that's it. Now multiply this one by these two and I'm done. So, just want to give you the illustration of it. That's the patch panel wiring cover. Fresh, clean cut.